Hello guys, welcome to our third example for integrating factor by inspection. So as you can see, if you already watched the introduction, the previous two examples, the level of difficulty for each example rises, no? So we have now x squared plus y squared minus y dx plus x dy is equals to 0. So let's try to use this suggested step to solve for this differential equation. So we have to regroup the given differential equation. So let's try to distribute yung dx. Okay, so we have x squared dx plus y squared dx minus y dx plus x dy is equals to 0. Okay, so what can you expect, ano? Andito naman tong term na to, which is very prevalent dito sa ating group of terms dito, ano? Nag-iiba lang siya ng sign minsan, ano? And from example number 2, pag ganun yung case, multiply lang natin by a negative factor, babalik na siya dun sa, makukuha mo na yung kanyang, ano, no? Reversed sign na factor. Okay? So dito, pwede natin i-group si first and second together. And then, i-group natin together si negative y dx plus x dy is equals to 0. Okay? So, what can we use to dito sa atin? Next step is to look dun sa table of integration natin. So, ito, wala naman tayong makikitang ganyan doon. So, let's try to look for this one. Okay? Negative y dx, x dy. Dito, I think we can use, ayan, no? So, dito, no? Yeah. So, meron ditong y dx minus x dy. Ang factor niya is negative 1 over x squared plus y squared. Okay? So, why ito yung pinofocus ko? Kasi, meron siyang term na x squared plus y squared. As you can see, sa first term mo, meron ka din ganong term. Okay? So, actually, you can you have to check yung other terms if it will be suitable pa for integration. You need to satisfy na uh, each variable inside the integration or integral sign are conforming dun sa differential o yung sa d function niya. Okay? So, let's try let's try to use this, no? Pero this is for negative x squared plus y squared. So, if positive yung gagamitin, we need to multiply this one by a negative sign. Okay? So, yung y dx natin minus x dy multiplied by a negative sign, that is negative y dx plus x dy. So that is actually the exact factor that we have here. No? So it means na ang integrating factor natin, we can use 1 over x squared plus y squared. Positive. Okay? So multiply natin both side, x squared plus y squared. So yung first term natin, since this is the same, that will cancel out. So matitira doon is dx lang plus arrange ko lang x dy minus y dx over x squared plus y squared is equals to 0. And according to sa table natin, if that is the case, okay, once you have this factor or this function, which is x dy minus y dx, the same, meron tayo exact differential for arctangent. Okay, so we have dx plus d of arctangent, that is y over x is equals to 0. Then just integrate. Okay, so we have x plus arctangent of y over x is equals to c. Okay, so let's check na y dx. Yeah. Okay, double check. Y dx x dy. Okay. Ayan. So once we have that, actually this is ano na, no? It can be used na as the final answer, but we can actually simplify it. We try to transpose si x sa kabila. We have arc tangent of y over x is equals to negative x plus c. And then inverse natin sa arctangent, that will be y over x is equals to tangent of negative x plus c. Okay? Then we try to multiply x. We have y is equals to x tangent of negative x plus c. So this will be our final answer for this differential equation. So that is the solution. Okay? Again, for this example, we have referred dun sa integration table natin, but it is not quite the same, ano, no? Agad-agad. So, we try to multiply it by negative, no? So, pag multiply natin negative, so di ba, maging positive to, kaya positive yung minultiply natin. Okay? And then, after multiplying that, we have our exact differential, and then just perform integration, and then you have your final answer. Okay? So, if you're still confused on what is um, going on dito, please try to go back dun sa introductory lecture natin, and then try to watch also yung example 1 and example 2. Okay? But for now, this ends our video for example number 3. Thank you.